Now let us talk about the Roman number. Now we have the ordinary number that we know. Example, we just have 1. We just want to write 1 in Roman number. It is represented by I. So this is 1, and now 2. When you have added the other letter in front of the letter, it means that you have added that 1. Now we have 2. If I just want to write 2 now, I like this is 1, then this is 1. So we have 2 i's. So this is 2. And then 3, we just want 3i. And then we have 4. 4, it seems to be 4 like this one. 4, we are not supposed to make repetition more than 3. We are not supposed to make repetition of more than 3 letters at the same time. Haturuhusiwi kurudia herufi hizi zaidi ya mara 3. Kwa hiyo sasa kama haturuhusiwi, we like the letter which have got maximum, have got greater value, and then you like this letter at the behind of the letter to show that you have subtracted. Herufi yenye thamani ndogo ikiandikwa nyuma ya herufi yenye thamani kubwa, maana yake ni kwamba hapa unatoa. Kwa maana hiyo hapa, this is 5. Now when you have written I behind of this letter, mean that you have taken 5 minus 1. If it is 5 minus 1, now is equal to 4. And that's why here I've written IV. That is to say, this is 5 now minus 1. So to show that you have subtracted this number, you write the letter which has got small value at behind of this number. Now 5, this is 5. Now 5 is written like this is V. Now 6, to write, when you have, this is 5, now you write 5 and then you add 1. When you write a letter with small vowel in front of the letter which have that light vowel, mean that you have added. Now this is 5, now it is 5 plus 1. Now this is 6. But also 7, the same applies to 7. Now 7, when you look at 7, now you add 2 of them. Now 8, you just like this, then you add 3 of them. Then 9. 9, you like 9 because we are not allowed to make repetition of more than 4. Of more than 3 letters at the same time. Therefore, we are not supposed to write this one. This is long because we are not supposed to make a repetition of this one. Now you write 9. So you go to the next number after 9, which is 10. Now 10 is written. Now 10 is X. Now represented by X. So 10 in Roman number is written as X. Now, in order to write number 9, you write 10, then minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. Now, in order to show that you have written 10 minus 1, you write X, and then when you have written X, you write 1 behind of this letter X. Now 1. So you have shown that it is 10 minus 1. Now it is 10 minus 1. So this is 10, this is 9, and this is 10. So 1 is represented by I, 2 is represented by double I, 3 is represented by triple I, and 4 is represented by IV. That is to say, you have taken 5 minus 1 to get 4. And then 5 is represented by V, and 6 is represented by V plus I. That is to say, you have taken 5 plus 1. So because you have written I in front of V, that is to say you have taken VI and I as represented as the addition. You have added it. So 7, the same applies. 8, the same applies. But we are not supposed to make a repetition of more than 3 letters at the same time or at the same number. So it would be so impossible for us to write triple I. To write here tetra I here. That is impossible. Therefore, you write the next letter and then you subtract 1 from it. That is why, to show that you have subtracted, you take this one and then you write I behind of that number. Now this is how we do. Now, after we have done that one, now let us see the other. Example 11. Now that is 11. Example maybe we give 13. So this is 13. Now you write this is 10. This is 10 plus 3. This is 10 plus 3. If this is 10 plus 3, now you write 10 and then you write 3. So this is what you have said. 10 plus 3 plus 3. Now example maybe also you have to write 29. No. Maybe 15. Now 15 15, that is to say it is 10 plus 5. Now 10 is x and 5 it is b. Now this is how we write the Roman number. But we just have something else. Example, we have written 1 up to 10. Now we have 20. 20 is written as x and x. So this is 10 plus 10. And then we have 30. 30 is x, x, x. That is to say triple x. Here it is double x. So x, it is 10 plus 10 plus 10. Therefore, you have to know that 40, it is impossible and it is not allowed according to the principle of Roman that you make a repetition of the same letter more than 3. So therefore, we have to write 50. 50 is represented as L. Now, if you just want to write 40, you just start 50 minus x. Now that is 40xl. Kwa maana hiyo 50 ni L. Unachukua 50 unapunguza 10. Ili kuonesha sababu umepunguza hapa 10, inabidi uandike ile letter at the behind of the letter. Ile nyuma ya herufi ile yenye thamani kubwa. Now we just have 60. 60 it is LX. Now that is 50 plus 10. And 70 it is L double X. That is 50 plus 10 plus 10. Now we have 80. Now 80 it is L triple X. It is L triple X. Now 90. You cannot make more repetition more than 3 letters. So what simply you do, you go to the value of 100, which is now 100 is C. Now 100, now in order to get this one, you take 100 minus 10. Now that's why it's presented by XC. Now this is how we write the Roman number from 1 up to 100. Example, maybe you have 198. You've been told to write this in Roman number. So this is 100 and then it is 100. You have 100. Then plus it is 90. Then plus it is 80. It is 80 now. 100 it is written as C. 90 is XC and 80 is the V, this one, 8. Example, maybe you've been told to write this, let's say it is, or what? Now, let's say maybe you've been given 176. Now, 100, then plus 70, plus 60. Then 100 is C, and 70 is double X, and 6 now it is VI. So this is how we write the Roman number. So, example, maybe we have seen 1 up to 100. This is how we could write. Example, maybe you've been told the other number apart from 100. Now let us see to write the other number apart from 100. Imagine you've been given more than 100 and you've been told to write in Roman number. So let us look at 100. We have seen 100. 100 is C. Now let us 200. 200 is double C. Now 300. 300 triple C. Now 400. So we've been told that according to the principle, we are not allowed to make a repetition of the letters more than 3 times. Now it is not allowed to write triple C here. Now you just write triple C. Now 500, that is written as D. Now you take 500 minus 100, which is equal to 400. Now this is 400. 400 is CD, and then 500 is D. Now 600 now is equal to D plus C, which is equal to 500 plus 100. Now 700 is equal to D plus C plus C. Now 800 is equal to D plus C plus C plus C. Now 900. So 900, we are not supposed to write D and tetra C. Na maana yake tuandike D na 4 C ziwe 4 hapana. It is not allowed. Now we write 1000, which is represented by M. Now 1000 represented by M. Now what you do, you take 1000 minus 100, which is equal to 900. Now this is how we write D. Now example, maybe you've been told to write this in terms of Roman number. Any number, maybe let's say it is 496. So you have 400, you have 90, and you have 6. So you write Roman number according how you pronounce the number. So this is 496. The way you pronounce this number or the way you sound this number, it is the way you write the Roman number. Namna unavyoitamka ndivyo unavyoandika namba za Kirumi. Now, Roman number, it is written as the way you sound the number. Now, this is 496. 400, now this is 490. Now, this is 90, and now 6 is this one. So, this is one, it is 496. Now, let us see more example on how to write the Roman number of the different cases as well we can do. How to write? Let us see an example. The example now here is write the following ordinary number in Roman numbers. Ordinary number in Roman number. Therefore, as I said earlier, we like the Roman number as the way you sound them, the way you read them, the way you pronounce them. Example, this is we read as 659. Now, you expand it. It is 600 plus. Now it is 50 plus 9. Now 600, that is DC. This is 600. Now 50 is written as L. And 9 now is written as IX. So this is how we write. Kwa unaandika Roman number kulingana na jinsi ambavyo unaisoma namba au unaitamka namba. Kwa tunaitamka hii hapa kama 600. This is BC. Now 50. Now this is L. Tisa is IX. So this is 659. So, but also, this is the key. Now, it is 1999. So when you expand this as the way you read it, it is 1000. Now plus, it is 900, and then plus 90 plus 9. Now this is M, that is 1000. 900, it is CM. Now 90, it is XC. And then 9, it is IX. So this is how we write the number. So you have to remember that we write this number according to the way we read them, according to the way we sound them, according to the way we pronounce them. So the way you read the number, the way we write them. How namna ambavyo unaitamka ndivyo unavyoandika namba za Kirumi. Oh, this is Roman number. So this is how we do. Now let us see that example in the opposite way. Now the second example here is write the following Roman numbers in ordinary numbers. So when you look at here, you will find the number written in such a way that you can identify that written is what? CD is 400 and XL is 40. IX is 9. Now collecting this number, you have 449. So this is an ordinary number for this number. The same applies to here. When you look at them, you will find that you have MM, this is 2000. CM it is 900. Now LX and X, it is 70. Now this is 8. Now when you collect them, you write them in short form. It is 4,978. 2,978. So this is an ordinary number for this Roman number. So we have definitely changed this one into ordinary number. And also we have changed this one into ordinary number. So by simply mean that when you just want to write the number, you have to be careful with them because it is all about listing the number that you have found in Roman number. But we have seen how to write the ordinary number into Roman number. You look at the word, you look at the number, and definitely you sound it. So the way you sound it, the way you write the Roman number. Now this is how we do. Now this is all about Roman number. You can check it at that way.